Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Python to check your internet speed. So it's going to check your download speed and your upload speed. So if you're a programmer, when you know how to do this, you can easily integrate it in any of your projects. Let's say you're working on a Django project and you just want to have a section which will show a user its upload or download speed. You can just simply use this code to check a user's upload or download speed. And for us to do this, we need to install a Python library called speed test CLI. So let's quickly open a new terminal. I'm going to say pip install speed test CLI. Now you should say requirement already satisfied for me. That's because I have it installed on my computer already. But if you don't, you should just allow that to install. So let's kill this terminal real quick. And for us to do this, we're just going to import from speed test. We're importing speed test. And then we're going to initialize it and say st equals to speed test like this. And then for us to just get the download speed, we can just simply use a print function. We'll say print something like your download speed is this. So let's just say a download speed. We have to say st the download, and then we're going to do exactly the same thing for upload speed. We say print your load speed is, then we'll just say st dot upload. Now this is all we need to do. Basically what we're doing, we're just importing the library. After doing that, we're initializing it from the library. You know how you initialize like a class in Python. Before I go further, let me first tell you that for you to know all these things, like most of the videos I've been doing previously, I've been teaching you some short videos on to just improve your Python skills. You need to know Python basics. Like you need to know Python for beginners. If you don't know Python at all, you're new to programming, I have a full playlist. I have a full Python course for tutorials for beginners. So if you are new to programming, you don't know anything about Python, or maybe you know another programming language and you want to learn Python, then you can go to my channel and search for the playlist for Python tutorial for beginners. And I'm also going to put the link to that playlist in the description below, so you can easily just check it out. And that's it. So once you know Python, you can easily follow any Python tutorial without having headache or making mistakes or stuff, and you can easily debug yourself. That's one of the most crucial parts about programming. So as I said, we're importing the speed test, initializing it as like a class, and then we're just printing the download speed and the upload speed. So let's run this. Now this should print download and upload speed. It's going to take a few seconds because it's going to test it by downloading, let's say like a 5 KB file or something, like a 5 KB file. So that's why it's going to take a few seconds before it shows up. Yes, you see now it says your download speed is that. It shows me my download speed. It's also going to take a few seconds before it shows me my upload speed. As easy as that. So we're just going to wait till it shows us our upload speed. Boom. You see our download speed is this, our upload speed is this. So there's always a slight difference between the download and upload. So I hope you guys understand this. If you don't, please don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer a question. And this you can easily integrate in any of your projects. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe, and please press the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. Having that said, thank you for watching and bye for now.